from @dearflow.ai. As you can see here, I always have user read. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and change that to prepare reply. Today I want to introduce you to our custom spaces and preferences, or well, super personalized email inbox as we call it. If you go into the feature, you will see a list of all the spaces you have currently created. Each of these spaces relate to a tag in your native client, so it will tag, for example, your Gmail emails in relation to these different spaces. And all the emails that come in, it will sort into the spaces here. As you can see, I have here all the different spaces, the same ones that I have in my preferences as well. A better overview you get even with the modern view. Here you see, well, they get sorted into the right space, so you understand kind of what email comes from which topic, and you quickly know whether you should work on whatever your goal is right now or not. Now, how do these work? Basically, each space has its own title and description. The description already gives a hint to the AI what kind of emails should go into this direction. But the actual gist and the most control comes from scenario items. So if you go here and you click a new scenario item, it will create a new item for you, and you can just write whatever kind of email you think makes sense to go to this space with a certain rule and of interaction for afterwards. So I can say, for example, I want to, whenever an invoice comes in, I want to autosave it to documents if that invoice email contains some document. Or I could say certain emails should always go to bulk deletion. For internal team communication, for example, whenever I get memes sent from Shabron via email, I don't need to see them. Now, it's as simple as that. And then I select the action email bulk deletion, so it will be added to a group of other emails that I can delete, and I can pick, do I want to be notified on WhatsApp, or if you join our mobile app, then the notifications will go through that. Do I want to be notified or not? In this case, no, because obviously I don't want to be notified if I want to delete it. So that's it. And from now on, every time when I receive an email from Shabron where he sends me a meme, then it will go to my bulk deletion, so I don't need to look at it. On the other side though, if I receive emails from @dearflow.ai, as you can see here, I always have user read. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and change that to prepare reply, and I want to be notified for this case. There you go.